Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Sit comfortably facing natural light and remove glasses if tolerated. Once settled, blink rapidly for 1 minute, then cup palms over eyes for 30 seconds to relax muscles. Recite the chosen Quranic verse slowly and with focus, visualizing light and clarity entering your eyes. You do this to combine physical relaxation with spiritual concentration. That combination calms the autonomic nerves and reduces strain. Make sure to breathe deeply and set the sincere intention for healing. Once done with the warm-up, begin alternating near to far focus. Hold a finger 20 cm from your nose 10 seconds, then shift gaze to an object 3-5 meters away for 10 seconds. Repeat 10 times. Make sure to pause and recite the Quranic verse slowly between sets, maintaining intentional, calming breath. After 2 sets, lightly massage temples and brow for 2 minutes to improve circulation. You do these steps to retrain focusing muscles and combine spiritual repetition with physiologic relaxation for better results. To finish, palm your eyes for 3 minutes while repeating the Quranic verse softly, letting the words settle and the eyes rest. Once complete, open slowly and blink naturally. Log any immediate changes in clarity or comfort. Make sure to practice this session once daily for 2 weeks and adjust intensity if you feel strain. If vision worsens or persistent pain appears, stop and rest the eyes and consult an eye care professional promptly. This safeguards health while you continue supportive spiritual practice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.